I can't get anything done because of all this heavy stuff.
Oh no! Help turn Billy the Bulldozer into Monster Billy! Move to the correct location. Press the button to bring the examination table down.
That was great!
Take out the old engine.
Woohoo!
Put in the monster engine.
That was great!
Tighten the screws on the engine.
That was great!
Loosen the screws. Take off the tires.
Woohoo!
Get rid of all the old parts.
Well done!
Put the monster parts together.
Woohoo!
Put the boxes in front of the bulldozer. Push the boxes into the container. Push the tire in front of the bulldozer. Push the tire into the container.
Well done! That was great!
Attach all the new parts.
Woohoo!
Wow! You've completed Monster Billy. Let's take him for a spin.
Yup! Well done! Yup! Yup! Yay! Yup! 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 Woohoo! Woohoo!
Ho-ho, Billy! You've become so much stronger. You're awesome!
Thanks to Monster Billy, everything was put away in a flash.